Aloha, Nina here with Mermaid Nina Travels. Today I thought we would talk about one of my favorite rides at Disneyland, Finding Nemo's Submarine Adventure. And note, I did say Disneyland. Now this ride is a makeover of what used to be a 2000 Leagues Under the Sea submarine voyage, and of course they updated it with our Nemo friends. And actually what's pretty cool is years ago they would actually have live mermaids bathing on these rocks over here doing some fun little mermaid tricks, but due to some health conditions that attraction had to be ended. But either way, this is a pretty popular area and a pretty cool attraction. And just so you know, you do have to board these submarines and they will go underwater. Well, at least that's what they want you to think. Either way, the attraction's pretty cool and it is highly recommended, although some caution there if you have littles who might have some claustrophobic situations. Again, here's one of my trash cans. I love the Disney themed trash cans. Also, again, it's a popular ride, so you want to keep note of the wait times for this attraction. So sit back and watch a snippet of what this ride could be like. Enjoy. As you can see, I did cut it off here because you do kind of go deeper into the depths of the water and it does get kind of dark. I did want to note that you are indeed in the submarine and you are viewing this whole thing through a teeny tiny little porthole. So don't be afraid to get up close and really get a nice viewing of what's going on. So here we got what else you will see in the general area. And up above the Finding Nemo ride is a monorail station. Now at Disneyland, the monorail station does get you from downtown Disney to the inside of Disneyland Park into Tomorrowland. So you do need a park ticket and you will have to go through security to ride this monorail. But if you look close, the monorail has been decorated for Mickey's 90th birthday. It was pretty cool to see. They also had some Pixar ones and everything, and I just love me some monorail. You can actually see some people up there riding at the front. That is something they will do at Disneyland as well, and it's a good ride. So ask your cast member how you can get into that spot. Kiddies for sure enjoy riding up front. This is also a great viewing point to take some pictures of what's going on around you, especially as the sun is setting. I absolutely love this view with the Matterhorn. The Matterhorn, of course, being one of the original rides that was at Disneyland, the Matterhorn bobsled. And did you know up at the tippy top of that mountain is a basketball court? Well, at least it's rumored to be. Walt helped design a basketball court up in there for some cast members and Disney Imagineers for when they're working hard and they need a break to kind of regroup some of that imagination spirit they've got going on. So anyway, I hoped you enjoyed this little snippet. Maybe you'll be interested in going to Disneyland. I would love to help with that. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and mahalo for watching. Nina